Hey folks, Shane the Shark Man coming at you from Guarantee RV here in Junction City. Just letting you know we're looking at the Thor Tuscany 2013 40 FX. Fantastic coach. Let's take a look inside and see what we've got. Now moving inside this amazing coach, we have a very nice setup in the cab. Two nice light brown leather seats. I mean, that's a curvaceous contoured dash you're looking at. Really a nice coach. TV right above that. As you move back, on the left-hand side, you've got the dining area with a pull-out table. Very, very nice. I mean, look at the workmanship here. This is a quality coach. And like I said, folks, you absolutely deserve something like this. I mean, the carved fascias up here. You got a full wall slide on the left-hand side of there, which also houses your pull-around, wrap-around couch. On the right-hand side, you've got a full Maytag residential fridge and freezer. Very, very nice. Look at these countertops as well, where your 3-burner stove is housed at. And then you have your convection microwave just above that. Gooseneck faucet. Very, very nice. And look at that backsplash. I mean, you can't go wrong with something like this. Moving over, you've got a nice fireplace, gorgeous, and it's got a nice Sony TV right above that, plus storage for your DVDs, Blu-ray, remotes, and everything. Moving towards the back of the coach, you've got the bathroom, the first one, the guest bathroom on the right. Very spacious, very nice. And then moving further back into the coach, you also have a full wardrobe. Further back even more so, you've got your desks on the side. You've got a place for, it's a nightstand. You've got lots of storage, lots of decor, nice decor. You've got a mirror there, king-size bed. And then as you move back past the king-size bed, you go to the master bathroom, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this layout, folks. You can't go wrong. I'll tell you what, you get a hold of me, and I can let you know what the price is on it. Amazing coach, and you're going to find quality like this right here at Guarantee RV. Like I said, folks, come on in, talk to me, Shane the Shark Man, here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. We'll do lunch, have something to drink, and just chit-chat about this wonderful coach that we have here for you. You deserve this. Thank you.